This video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Lords Mobile on your phone, guys. No jailbreaks. So as you can see, guys, look how much money I got. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you need to do is go ahead and go to this website, guys. It's called HexMods, and it has a ton of modded apps and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, we're just going to go to the search bar and just type in Lords Mobile. So as you can see, guys, it says Lords Mobile. So just press on this, press on the download button, and it should download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But yeah, this is super insane. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it. But I'm going to show you guys how expensive this game is right here. And that's why you shouldn't spend any money on it. So let me just do it right here. As you can see, so I'm just going to type in, oh boy, I cannot spell, Lords Mobile. There it is. Then we just come over here and we go to in-app purchases, and look at this, guys. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, all you gotta do is go ahead and go to this site and then just go to the search bar and type in Lord. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, this is super cool. As you can see, guys, I got so much money with this method, which is wild. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yes, it's super awesome and it's totally updated. So yeah, guys, if you need to get rich in the Lords Mobile, this is how you do it. You just got to come to this site. And as you can see, guys, they got tons of mods on this site, which is pretty cool. Personally, I'm looking for Lords Mobile. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super insane. Fully updated method. And yeah, it's fully working, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This is actually working and everything like that. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Get the word out about this tutorial. It's super insane. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace out.